Are you tired of that annoying disk write error popping up every time you try to update CS2 on your computer? No need to stress. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that error. So let's dive right into the solutions and get it sorted ASAP. Solution 1. Run Steam as an administrator. To do this, click the system tray icon. Then right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Now, right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. After that, click on Yes to give permission. Now, go to your library and check if you can update the game without this error. Solution 2. Make the Steam folder writable. For this one, open up the File Explorer on your computer. Then go to the C drive. After that, open the program files x86. Here you will find the Steam folder, right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. Now uncheck the box that says Read Only. Then click on Apply and then on OK to save these settings. Now check if the error is fixed. Solution 3. Clear Steam Downloads cache and cache. First, click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. After that, right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Open File Location from here. Now, scroll up and find the app cache folder. Then delete it. Now, open up Steam. Next, click on the Steam icon from the top left corner of the screen. And select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click on Downloads from the left side folder. Now hit the Clear button next to Clear Download Cache. Then click on Confirm. And Steam will restart. Now the error should be gone. So that's how you fix the disk write error in Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.